Hello, welcome back. In this lecture, create profile PHP to display the user's profile, and you will also redirect logged in user to home PHP in our index PHP. So go to your index PHP, and below include we need to create if condition to check if user logged in. So is set $session user ID. So when user ID session is set, then we redirect to home PHP. So type header method and location, 8 column, and here will be your home PHP. Now let's try to access the index PHP file. I logged in as Danny. Let's try to access the index PHP, index.php. Now it redirects to home PHP, and let's create the profile PHP to display the user's profile. So go to your code editor and create new file in your tutor folder, and this will be profile.php. Now open a close PHP tag, and here we need to create if condition to get the username from the URL. So if user try to access the profile like this, profile PHP and question mark, and here will be our username get variable, and this will be equal to the username which we want to get from the URL. Let's go to the profile PHP and create if condition, and type is set $get to get the get variable from the URL, and here will be username which will be our get variable, and this will be triple equal to true, and then empty function and pass $get username again, and this will be triple equal to false, which means not empty. And first here we're going to include the int file so we can access the databases. So include int file which is in our core folder, and now to create the profile ID which will be the user ID, and now to create username variable. So username equal to get from you, and here will be our check input method to escape the special character, $get username, and now to get the user ID from our username, and you will create this method. So let's type profile ID, and this will be the profile ID which we get from the username, and this will be equal to the get from you, and here will be our method which we will create, and method will be user ID by username, and we deposit username here, and let's create that method. So go to your user class, and below check email method, create new public function, and name will be user ID by username, pass username, and now to get SQL query to get the user ID from the database where username equal to this username variable. So statement equal to this PDO prepare method, and need to select user ID from users table where username equal to username placeholder, and now to bind the username. So statement bind prom, and here will be your username placeholder and username variable. Data will be string data, so prom underscore str for string data. Now to execute the query, so statement execute, and now to return the user ID. So create user variable, and this will be equal to statement fetch method, and to get has object PDO column fetch underscore obj for object, and now to return the user ID, return user ID. Now go to your profile PHP, and now to get the profile data to display on the profile. So below here, create profile data variable, and this will be equal to get from user data method, and we need to pass the profile ID. So pass profile ID, and let's get user ID variable, and this will be the user ID who logged in. So user ID equal to $_session user ID, and now to get the user data for the user who logged in, so create user variable, and this will be equal to again get from user data method, pass user ID here, and we do get if condition again to check if the profile found in our database. So here will be exclamation mark and the profile data variable. So when profile data variable is not set, then we will redirect user to index page. So here we redirect to index. So location index page, and now display the user profile. So go to your projects file folder and open a profile.html file with your code editor. Copy HTML code, go to your profile.php file and paste below the PHP ending tag, and now display the user profile data. So scroll up to the PHP blog, and now scroll down to the head tag, and here is our style CSS link, and we need to add the base URL for our CSS link. So open and close PHP tag. We need to echo the base URL, which is our website root directory. If you go to your int PHP, we set the base URL here. Now copy the PHP block and scroll down, and also add into home link and the notification link. So when we will rewrite the URLs for our profiles, our links will not work because we need to add the base URL for our links and profile images. So scroll down to find the user profile link and the username and the image. Here will be the logged in user image. So we need to echo the base URL, and we need to concatenate the user variable, and here will be profile image. Now copy the PHP block, scroll down, and here we need to display the profile link and change this to username who logged in, and paste here also. Here will be username, and remove the base URL. And here will be base URL. Echo base underscore URL. Also here echo base underscore URL. Now scroll down to find the user data. Here we need to display the profile cover. Change this to profile data variable to display the profile data, and change this to profile cover. Now copy again the PHP block to save the time. Now scroll down to find the profile link here, paste here. Here will be user name, also here. Username. Here will be the full wing count. So full wing. Remove the base URL. Scroll down and again here will be the profile link. Change this to username, and here will be follower count, followers. Remove base URL, scroll down, and here we will display the profile image. Change this to profile image, and here will be profile link, and here will be screen name. Change this to screen name and remove the base URL. Now copy the PHP block, and here will be username. Change this to username, and here will be profile bio. Scroll down, and here will display the profile country. So change this to country, and it will display country only when it's not empty. So create if condition here, and let's type exclamation mark and empty function, and here will be profile data, and the country will be here, and open the curly brackets and close here. Now scroll down, and here will be profile website. So again, open and close PHP tag, create if condition to check if the profile website is not empty. So exclamation mark empty function, profile data, and here will be website. Open curly brackets and close here, and here will display the user profile website. So open and close PHP tag and echo the profile data variable, and here will be website. Now copy the PHP block and paste inside the anchor tag, and we need to also set the target for the anchor tag. So here add target attribute, and this will be equal to double quote underscore blank. And now let's view the profile. So go to your profile and refresh the page. Now display the user profile. Now let's view the other user profile, which is Danny New. Now display the other user profile. So we successfully created the method to display the user profile. In the next lecture, we will rewrite profile URL to make our user profile friendly, and see you in the next lecture.